back in the bathroom, the main bathroom, for a Try It Out Tuesday, and tonight we are going to be trying out Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. My ends have been really dry, so I'm hoping to use that on this and see if it's going to work out. Right off the bat, let me unlatch this bad boy real quick. I'm not a fan of the dispenser. It literally is just like a drop, and I'm like, how do I get all this out nicely? I like a pump or something. This is not gonna be user friendly, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, yeah, I mean, there's some shine there and it's smooth, but I don't see a whole lot of payoff there. I think if I was like using heat and going, drying and going right out afterwards, this would be really beneficial because it would keep the smoothness going. And I know that you can't see all of my hair right there, but yeah, it's not that great. And then I lost all of that hair in just the coming out, so that's not fun. But that's the beauty of getting older, I guess. It's lucky day 13.
My favorite. Okay, so for doggy biscuits, there are more biscuits. Looks like it's more gingerbread men's. more of the little mamans.
We're sort of excited.
Yeah.
Who's here? Not so excited.
These are not the ones you like.
Pickles is like, no, they're mine.
Yeah. I'm sure Bamboo will be happy to seed them to you as long as he gets the other thing.
13 is the second one.
There it is. Okay. There's another
a bone.
bone with
Huh, that's 2 days in a
mini
row.
bone with sweet potato. Yeah, interesting that. All right.
Cool. Move on over to.
Here we go. Top left.
Huh. They seem to like have the same. They're on the same side a few times. Thank you.
Okay.
We have.
Avant hyaluronic something. Argan
Hyaluronic.
peony sweet almond oil.
Interesting. It's a lip balm. Oh, lip scrub. Lip scrub.
That's something new
Interesting.
to me.
Never heard of that brand. So pretty cool. We will try that out. All right. Last but not least, chocolate. Oh crap! I forgot the wine.
Oh,
Only one. How will we fight this
just
out?
the one. Well, I'll let you have it. It's a Maître Chocolatier depuis. Oh, okay. Linton. Okay,
It's
so
fancy.
there's nothing identifying it. Just a fancy little lint label.
Interesting. It looks like a Rolo.
Or a peanut butter cup.
It's a lint. It's a lint
Well,
Rolo.
It's upside down for it to be a peanut butter cup shape.
We'll find out. Pickles, we really have to talk about this.
Yeah.
I think we might have to send you to rehab.
Pickles, we love you and we care about you very much.
We're here to talk to you about an issue.
Okay, number 13.
Really, you are in there.
This one. It's this one.
Yeah, she was right there.
Help me. If you're going to be in here, do something useful.
I see a red cap.
Red foil.
That means red.
It's dark. Yeah. Classic Cruise Tempranillo.
I like the label.
Another Spanish wine. Give me that. Give me that. You shouldn't have that. No.
España.
Another Spanish wine.
Nice.
I think we didn't like the last Spanish wine.
We'll have to try it out.
Here's our Spanish red.
Spanish red.
I forget what it was called.
Espanol. We don't know. We don't care anymore. Ching ching. Woo!
It's got
strong.
a strong smell. It's been breathing while I was cooking dinner.
Ooh, but still bitter.
Yeah. Okay. Spain's 0 for 2 in the red wines.
Spain's like what's, oh my god, I just said it. Sangria. That's why. They brew them rough, so you throw a bunch of fruit in them and water them down into fruity drinks for the holiday.
That could be.
Or mulled wine. Can you do mulled wine with it? Oh my god, this is harsh. Harsh.
It's been out breathing for at least the past half hour too.
Wow. I wonder if I made it worse. All right, night, y'all. Oh, yeah. I'm not classy. Just saying. I almost forgot to open the fancy chocolate. But doing this one-handed while trying to find is nearly impossible. And I also forgot to say that Miss Pickles learned a new trick today. She learned how to, here she comes, she wants a chocolate. No, you can't have this. Sorry, sweetie. She learned how to jump up on the ottoman all by herself today.
Yep. So Bamboo can no longer hide on the couch from her.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay, so it's not a Rolo. It looks like a Rolo, though. So, looks like that. It's filled with like, here you go, have the other half.
Okay.
Like Ferrero Rocher stuff. Hi.
Yeah.
You're gonna eat my shirt?
Hazelnut sort of stuff, yeah.
Not bad. Not the usual Lindt stuff I'm used to, but taste. Are you gonna eat my shirt? Really? No, you can't chew on that.
Like this.
Chew on your teething ring. All right. See y'all tomorrow.